Alright, we're coming at you with a 6 dogs type beat. You heard? I already got some MIDI laid down, and we're gonna go from there. Let's go. Yup. Let's go. It's already a banger, bro. What? Just go in here, pick one. If it don't sound good, you change it later. Just don't overthink sound selection at the start. Alright. Maybe invert it, Alt Y. One more little counter lead. I think that'll sound good. Yeah. If we had like just to fill in some space like back here. That's pretty good. Like again, don't overthink this stuff. You can always change it later. Just add some texture in that background. Alright, let's get yup. Third beat, I think. No, that's third step. Alright. And then you can just go over to the paint tool. Now you got your rolls. And we'll see how it sounds. Let's get a counter snare. Let's do a miniature drum roll. Get that 808 in there. Let's go back up. Add one. All right, let's lay this out, shall we? Up. Yes, sir. Sick. And that's how you make a 6 dogs type beat. Subscribe if you found this useful. I'll be posting more stuff on here. Peace.